Alright, hey guys, welcome to another video. So we are still on Dogecoin analysis. This is the support before it made that big move. Alright, we are on the 4-hour time frame. So this all of this big move here is within, say, a week. Alright, a week and a half. So a lot of people have been antsy because price has been holding at 0.045 cents in the last, say, 2 days. Now this bullish move here is the move from the 4th. Alright, and since the move from the 4th, this is what we've been seeing throughout that time until today on the 5th. Now people have been antsy about what the price is, if it's going to fall, if it's going to continue its move upwards, or is it just going to fall away. Now if I trade based on price action and market structure, alright, and that is the reason why I have this zone drawn here, this zone drawn here, and this line here representing this zone. Now as you can see, it is ranging a bit, so each time it came down below the 4.045 price range, it was rejected. So lower prices are essentially being rejected. So that's what we're seeing here by these wicks. We have not seen any major impulse move up, separate aside from this bearish bullish candle here, and it came up inside our little zone right here, which is what we're expecting it to break. Did not break the zone, it was rejected, so it is stuck here. So what this is saying to us is that this is probably a new area of support. Excuse me. So this is probably a new area of support. That's how I am looking at it. As I said before, these lines that I drew, if it breaks above this zone here, I expect it to come and retest the zone. Alright, why I say that? Each time the market makes a move, there has to be a correction and move. Break, correction. Alright. So, and we are in an uptrend, by the way. So, made the move upwards, pull back to this low, to this area, and as you can see, this area. Now, what if you look at the similarities between here and here? Alright, so this became support. So it pushed up, came back, retested this area of support, pushed back all the way up, came back to this area became support, pushed up, came down. So it did not create a lower low. So we're not looking for downside movement. Alright. So what we're looking for is higher highs, higher lows for upside movement. What we're seeing now is this ranging area. So if it pushes up, we're expecting a retracement to here, and then they'll continue to move up. If not, and it pushes down below this line here, alright, if it pushes below this, then it could push all the way down to support. So if you're a trader, I'd be looking to see what it does first before I get into any trade. So if it does push down, I'm going to expect it to get rejected from this area. Now if it breaks below this, this would be the 3-cent area, and I don't think Dogecoin would be going to the 3-cent area right now. Alright, I don't think so. So if it does push down to here, I'd still be looking for buys, to be honest. And if it, as I said before, if it pushes up, then I'm going to expect it to retest this area. Now if it retests this area, then you're still looking for buys, because if it retests and doesn't break, then you could get into a long here and you could have a profitable trade. Alright, so this video is just a little update video on what is going on. I do realize that a lot of people are nervous right now because they saw the big bullish move and price went all the way up here, and a lot of people bought when it got here because they thought it was going to make that instant move to $1. So, and by conversing with people and reading the chats on Reddit, I do realize that a lot of people got into Dogecoin in this area. When it pushed up to 5 cents, a lot of people said, alright, it's making the move now, let me get in. They bought in at this area. While most of us got in, I'll fix that in a bit. Most of us got in at this area. Alright, so most of us got in the 2 cent range when it made this massive pullback because the momentum was still there. As I said before, after the big impulse move, there has to be some retracement. Okay, so most of us got in here, right, or here, depending on. So, well, for me personally, I got in about here, right, below the 3 cent mark. So with all of the movement that is taking place right now, and let me just say, most of the Dogecoin I bought was within this area. I have bought Dogecoin since. So for the amount that I bought at this area, I'm okay. I have no issues. I then purchased again here when it broke. I might upload my ledger on Kraken to show the purchases, the deposits and purchases, but if this gets enough views or comments, then I might, but if not, then I might not. But this was another purchase. So the purchases that I got here and here are okay. I think I did make another purchase somewhere around here. Here. Yeah, so I did make purchases around here. So the fact that I made purchases around here and it's here, you can tell that I am in a little deficit based on the purchases I made here. But the ones that I made here and here were still okay. So I am not worried. Alright, so anything I'm losing right now is within the profits that I already made from this move and this move. Okay, so to those out there that did get in, I'd like to say don't be worried too much. Alright, if you're going by my charts, I wouldn't be worried too much, to be honest with you. But I did see somebody comment in the live stream. One comment I had in the live stream last night that he was saying it's better he sold. And he's saying that because he is not looking at the charts, he doesn't understand what he's looking at, he doesn't understand what he's doing. He just got in because that was the hype. Alright, so I'm gonna cut it here. The video is already 7 minutes long. Diamond hands. Thanks for watching.